Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela ukandut ke Sangma uloong ba ke Jingpyndonkam de kikor kibor ke juk ba Mynta ban Pyndonkam na kekhtian Hindi sya kekhtian English kadai komsi Mynta ban Pynduna ha ke Rukom Pyndonkam mi kislakon. Menteri Rangba ula keren ya kini ha kesengi sedang ke dor bar nenta kesengi ke khat riu terik urempang arajar at husau ha ke ba uloong ru ba kini ngade ke sien jam ke ba Bhatam ke bela shim ha ke ba uloong ba kini kikor ke juk Mynta kimdei ki berjenjar ban Pyndonkam. Long baha ke jaka ban Pyndonkam di kislakot bansa meski babuan balang kala kamsuk ban syulik di kini ki teknologi ban Mynta ban pensuk ki kibriu ban yopet ha kerensan online.
No, it's a very simple step. It's nothing too complicated. It's just that we are trying to reduce the usage of paper as far as possible, and hence technology is being used. It's not a very complicated technology. It's a very simple thing that instead of reading from a piece of paper, which of course is not just for me, but will be printed for so many people, now people will be able to see it online, and will be able to read it on the instrument that we've given out there for them to use. And so that's all it is. It's not a very complicated thing. But it cannot be done in full 100%. It is a transition. So therefore there'll be some part that will be done now, but it's a process that has started. Hopefully in the coming years, we'll be able to completely make it paperless.